Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated facial routine. So I think there's one step in the routine that I'm actually not going to be doing because I just did it yesterday, so I'm not going to do it today. But I just want to kind of show you guys how I like to do my updated one. So we're first going to start with the Youth of the People Super Berry Dream Cleansing Balm. So I like to use this when I have makeup on to remove my makeup. I'm not really have makeup on right now, but I just kind of want to show you guys the full routine. So I just take some of this on my fingertips, kind of like to distribute it, and kind of like to warm it up in my hands. And then when I start kind of like melting down all the makeup and everything. And I also do like to double cleanse, so I kind of use this also as a cleanser as well. I did also say this in my what I got for my birthday video, but this is my new favorite skincare brand. I absolutely love it. It's the ITK from Brooklyn and Bailey, and like I said, it's my new favorite. So I'm going to start with the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. I really, really like this one. And of course, to apply it, I'm going to use my Anissa Beauty cleansing brush. Okay, and next it's time to do some steaming. I'm going to use the Conair facial steamer. This is my favorite steamer. I absolutely love it. Um, I like that it comes with two attachments, like I said, in what I got for Christmas. So I'm going to use the cone one. So it says to use distilled water, so I'm going to take my distilled water jug in here and then the little measuring cup that it has, and I'm going to fill it to about that where it has that line. Okay, now I'm going to put on the little cone thing and then wait for it to heat up. So normally I would set it to about 5 minutes, so I'm already going to set that right now and then just let it sit and heat up. Oh, I have to turn it on. Okay, now I'm going to take my favorite face mask. This is also from ITK. This is the Clay Color Changing Face Mask. So what I'm going to do is I kind of like to do maybe dot here, 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 and here, and a little on my nose. I just like to kind of distribute that all over the face. And if I need to, I will add a little more, which I'm going to need. My face is pink. It's so cool. I love this face mask. Okay, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and rinse it off. Next, I'm going to use a toner. I'm still use the same toner. This is the Jaffa Royal Clear Smart Clear Complexion Toner. Now, I don't know. I think ITK also has a toner that I'm want to get to once I'm done with this. But I'm just going to apply it with a cotton ball. Okay, now it's time for a serum. Now, I'm actually going to go get my serum that it's in my little mini skincare fridge. For the serum, I'm going to use the ITK Brightening Vitamin Serum. This is my favorite serum of all time. To apply, I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty All Over Treatment Brush. But I'm just going to kind of drop it on my face first, and then kind of distribute it with the brush. Okay, so at this point, I actually do use the serum when I shave my face, and I use the Revlon facial razor. But I'm going to skip shaving today because I did it yesterday. For moisturizer, I'm going to use the ITK prebiotic gel moisturizer. I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty all over care brush. So like the I think I said this in my what I got for my birthday video, but like the plastic thing that comes on like a tube like this. It's like a silver kind of plasticky seal. So on this one, it was like super super hard to get off. It took me an hour just to get off. Those plastic things are so hard to get off sometimes. Like took me a very, very long time. But I do still really like this moisturizer. It's my favorite. Next, I'm going to use the ITK Day and Night Eye Cream Duo. There are two eye creams in here. I'm going to use the day and night cream one. I'm going to take it on the Anissa Beauty spot treatment brush. And then I'm just going to pat that in with my finger or fingers and gently on the lid as well because I do apply it there. Okay, next is something that I normally haven't seen before, which is really cool. This is the ITK Blemish Treatment Mist. I think it's so cool. This has, let's see, uh, ingredients: licorice root extract, and mint extract, which I think is so cool. So I just like, and you can, what is really cool about this product is that you can spray anywhere on the body where you have any blemishes, but I do on the face. Sometimes I do miss it, so I have to like go over it a couple times. And then last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a lip balm. This is from EOS. This is in pink champagne. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!